71 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, ইন হুইচ টু লেয়ার অফ দ্য আর্থ ডাজ দ্য গুটেনবার্গ ডিসকন্টিনিউয়ালি কোয়ান্টিটি লাইস? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, the mantle and the core, the two layer to earth, the Gutenberg discontinuity lies. 71 number question explain the Gutenberg discontinuity to mark the boundary between two sections of the earth interior known as the lower mantle, which is the considered the solid, and the underlying outer core the believed to be molten. It too occurs within the earth interior and the depth about 2,900 km below the surface. It is the name out of Benno Gutenberg 1889 to 1916 and seismologist who made to several to important contribution of the study and understanding of the earth interior. Next question. 72 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোইং দ্য কন্ট্রোল দ্য উইন্ড স্পিড? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, pressure gradient thus control the wind speed. 72 number question explain, wind is nothing to more than the movement of air molecules from one place the next due to the pressure gradient, the Coriolis force and the surface friction. The speed of the wind is controlled by the strength of the pressure gradient, the difference in the pressure to over two places. The stronger on the pressure to gradient, the higher the wind speed. Next question. 73 number question কি বলছে, what is the percentage of the expansion coverage of the continents on the earth surface? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, 29 to 30% expansion of the coverage and continent the earth surface. 73 number question explain, about to 70 to 71% on the earth's surface in water covered. The ocean hold about 96.5% of all earth and water. This is the means that in continents the land mass is to occupy about 29 to 30% of the earth's surface. Asia, the biggest continent, to occupies to nearly 29.1% of Earth total land mass. Next question. 74 number question কি বলছে, the distance of 1 degree longitude on Earth almost to equal to which of the following? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, 111 kilometer, the distance of the 1 degree longitude of Earth almost to equal. 74 number question explain, at the equator 2 of the latitude or longitude represent to approximately 111 kilometer, approximately 70 miles. 8 degree of longitude is the widest and the equator 69.172 mile, 111.321 kilometer, and gradually sinks to zero at the poles. At 14 degree north and south, the distance between the 8 degree to longitude is 53 miles, 85 kilometer. And next question. 75 number question কি বলছে, as the river to approaches the sea, the speed of the following the water decrease and the river begin to break up into number of stream called? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, distributaries that as the river to approach the sea, the speed of the following the water decrease and the river begins to break up to number of stream called? 75 number question 75 number question explain, as the river to approach the sea, the speed of the following the water decrease and the river to begin to break up into several stream to known and distributors. Then the time comes when the river to begins to very slow and it begin to deposit its load is in distributive forms in on mouth. The collection of the sediment from all the mouth from and delta which of the triangular land masses. Next question. 76 number question কি বলছে, as the river to enters the plain is the twist and transforming the large bends known as, চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, meanders the river to enters the plain, the twist of the transforming large bends known as. 76 number question explain, a meander is the bend in the sinuous the water course. A river that is formed when moving to water in the stream erodes the outer bank and winds is a valley. The inner part of the river too has to less energy and deposit slit and meanders are to typically middle the lower course of a river when the vertical erosion is replaced to lateral erosion the plus deposition within flood plains. Next question. 77 number question কি বলছে, Alps mountain range is located which is continent, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, Europe, just Alps mountain range is located is Europe. 77 number question explain, the Alps and the highest and most extensive mountain range system that lies to entirely in Europe. It stretches approximately 1200 km to across to 8 Alpine countries: France, Switzerland, Italy, Monaco, Liechtenstein, Austria, Germany and Slovenia. Next question. 78 number question কি বলছে, the final boundary the between the earth and outer space is called, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, magnetosphere, just as final boundary between two earth and outer space is called. 78 number question explain, the magnetosphere is the region to above the earth's surface which is the charge and particle to affected by the earth's magnetic field. The exosphere is no considered as a part and magnetosphere. The outer to boundary magnetosphere or the final boundary between the earth and outer space is known as magnetosphere. Next question. 79 number question কি বলছে, which of the following the most abundant metal on earth crust, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Aluminium, just which following the most abundant metal in earth crust. 79 number question explain, aluminium is the most abundant metal in earth crust and the third most abundant element thorium and after oxygen and silicon and mixed to about to 80% by weight. Earth's solid surface earth crust occupies to less than 1% earth volume. Oxygen is 46.6%, silicon 27.77% and aluminum is 8.09% and iron is 5%. Next question. 80 number question কি বলছে, the marble comes under which category of the rocks, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, metamorphic, this is marble come under which is category of rock. 80 number question explain, marble is the metamorphic rock that is formed when limestone is the subject to the heat and pressure. Metamorphism, it is the composed of primarily the minerals calcite, CaCO3 and usually to contain other minerals such as to clay minerals mica, quartz, pyrite, iron oxide and graphite. Under the condition the metamorphism, the calcite and the limestone recrystallization to the from the rock, that is the mass of interlocking calcite on crystals.